Welcome to How to Update Cross-Funded Routing Lists. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain why cross-funded routing lists cannot be updated directly within the eGov travel system, and use the PSC routing list data import template to request updates to your organization's cross-funded routing lists. The following symbols draw your attention to a particular point or topic. The red circle and exclamation point denotes a very important point. The yellow caution triangle denotes a safety note warning that failure to heed the point will likely cause significant issues. The blue exclamation point and banner denotes a best practice. And the blue binoculars denote a case study used to further explain or provide an example. A routing list determines how the eGov travel system, ETS, transmits travel authorization requests and travel expense voucher claims, from one user to another, during the certification and approval of government travel. Travel system administrators are responsible for maintaining their local organization's routing lists. This includes editing the routing lists when new routing officials join your organization, and when old routing officials leave. A cross-funded routing list is used when travel must be certified and approved by a host organization, that is, by users outside the employee's home organization. As a travel system administrator of a host organization, you should be aware of two important points. First, there are over 6,500 organizations with cross-funded routing lists routing to your host organization, all of which must be maintained. Second, you cannot edit these directly within the ETS because you do not have administrative access to those organizations. Fortunately, the Program Support Center, PSC, has created a Microsoft Excel template to update cross-funded routing lists. Ask your lead FATA for a copy of the template. As we review this template sheet, remember to edit only those cells that are highlighted in yellow. Adding, deleting, or editing other cells may result in failure of, or errors to, the data import. Before you make any changes to the file, save a copy of it by selecting the File tab, then selecting Save As. Choose an appropriate file location and name. Be sure to keep the file as an Excel macro-enabled workbook, .xlsm. Then select the Save button. Enter the name of your organization's cross-funded routing list in cell F4. In this example, we will enter cross-funded IEA. With cell F4 still active, select the menu's Home tab, then Fill, then Flash Fill. This fills all of column F with the name of your cross-funded routing list. Second, specify the desired action in column H by first entering the action in cell H4, then flash filling the entire column. In this example, we will enter Add to column H in order to add a new routing official to our cross-funded routing list. Alternatively, enter the word delete to remove the routing official from your cross-funded routing list. Third, complete column J in the same way you completed column F, by filling in the name of your cross-funded routing list. Fourth, enter the document status code you wish to add or delete from your cross-funded routing lists, in cell K4, flash filling it down the entire column. In this example, we are entering the status VCH certified. Fifth, enter the employee ID number of the routing official you wish to add or delete, into cell L4, copy and paste this ID number into cell L5, then flash fill the entire column. In this example, we are adding employee ID number 20012345567. Sixth, enter into cell O4, the routing level corresponding to the document status you entered in column K, copy and paste this level number into cell O5, then flash fill the entire column. In this example, we will enter 55. Seventh, enter the type of document into cell P4. In this example, we are entering VCH for vouchers. Alternatively, enter AUTH for travel authorizations. Use flash fill to complete column P. Please note the instruction printed in red font in cell P2, do not enter the value all in column P. At this point, we have completed all the necessary fields within the template. Save the file, then repeat the entire process as needed to request any other necessary changes to your cross-funded routing lists. In this example, we have saved a second copy of the file, changing column K to certified, column O to level 50, and column P to AUTH. Note that each requested change should be submitted within its own file. Once you have completed your routing list import request files, open a PSC customer support queue case by attaching the files to an email address to PSC account management support@psc.hhs.gov. Be sure to send no more than 2 import requests per case. PSC will perform the actual import, which will then update within the eGov travel system. Congratulations! You have completed this lesson. Thank you for participating.